So Derek, I thought you might learn more, gain more, if you could actually see what I've got going on. So here's my Vanquish. 2 zippy 5S 5000 compacts, Ice80, old Hymax, Zor 2212, new Gator spinner. Things are great. So let me fire it up and you can see what we got going here. Sorry for the jiggly video. Alright, so what I've got it set up right now is I'm using a throttle curve. So when my throttle stick gets to a certain point, my brake comes on. Currently set at 30% braking. So right now we're plugged in, we're hot. I can move my throttle stick up and I will start to go, just a couple of clicks off bottom. I also have a switch set that gives me a high idle. So there's that switch. Okay. And then I have a slide, my left hand slide lever on my 14SG is a throttle cut, so it disables my throttle stick for safety. So I'm running 41.69 volts on the watt meter. So we'll fire it up here and I'll run it up to full throttle and then I'll show you how I have the brakes set up. Okay, so that's just up to full throttle and down. Looks like we had 74 amps. That was at 35 volts, 2,664 watts. So here's my brake. I have it set up on a switch so that I can turn it on and off. So I'll turn the switch on and I'll run my power up. Now my throttle stick is moving up now, and it gets just below half throttle before my motor engages. So if I just idle up, that's what 30% brake looks like. So what that looks like on my radio is and if I had my high idle on and I turned the switch off that had the brake that engages the brake. So there's the brake. So my idea would be like coming out of a stall turn, you'd be coming down on a down line, and when my stick got to about there, my brake would be engaged. And all I gotta do is flip the switch off and I'm back into power. My normal range, or if I wanted to do say a stall turn and maintain some airflow, I'd have this high idle, which I can turn off. And then of course I can do my left slider, and now my throttle stick is dead. So that's my setup. I don't know if it's right. I haven't flown it yet. Like I said, it started snowing today. But that's the setup I'm running. I hope it helps you out.